This is Tom. He's building a simple counter for his app, but every time he clicks, the number resets. So, what's going on here? Well, the real hero of today's story is something called a JavaScript closure. Stick around, because understanding closures might just save your next project and maybe even Tom's job. Tom's building a dashboard counter for his boss, but every time he clicks the button, it starts back at 1. Not cool when you're up against a deadline. Tom writes this code. This looks fine, right? But no matter how many times he clicks, the console always logs clicked 1. It's like the counter has amnesia. It forgets everything after each click. What Tom doesn't realize is that JavaScript closures can solve this instantly. Closures let a function remember variables from the environment where it was created, even after that outer function has finished running. Here's how we fix it. We create a function called createCounter and move the count variable inside it. Then we return an inner function that updates and logs the count. That inner function forms a closure. It hangs on to the count variable even after the createCounter execution is done. Now every time Tom clicks the button, the number increments 1, 2, 3 and so on. So that's the power of a closure. It keeps count alive inside the function. No global variables, no clutter, just clean modular logic that works beautifully. So what did we learn today? Closures are essential in JavaScript. They power counters, private variables, even React hooks. By applying a closure, Tom saved his job. But his boss told the client that he was the one who fixed the issue. But that's another story.